Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best Faucet website. You can claim your Faucet from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. And if you have Faucet Pay account, that was very good. This website I'm going to share to earn is a TRON. If you don't have Faucet Pay account, link in description. This website is a TRON. This much TRON pay you every 5 minutes and 25 time claim per day. Okay, this is very easy. Just copy your TRON wallet address and paste in here. Go to deposit, copy your TRON wallet address from here and come here and just paste it and just click claim and just come down and just solve this capture. Okay, this is very easy. This is very easy way to earn from this website. Okay, sorry again, I just click again. This one is a motor bus and just click the buses and okay, just click next. All the buses, click it all the buses and just click check. And okay, that was great. Solve this later capture. If you solve it, you can claim your Faucet from this website. Okay, and right now you can see it. I solve it. Just wait 3 seconds and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Just I go to Faucet Pay account, user dashboard, and you can see I earned this much TRON from this website. Okay, this is very easy way to you can earn. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.